Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Today, we diving into Nigeria stock market, to analyze last week top gainers and how they performed, and more importantly, why they made it at the top gainer list. This is not a buy, sell, or hold type of video. This is just to give you an insight about, the mood of the stock market. However, my stock recommendation video will come shortly after this one. So subscribe to see that one, when it gets uploaded. So let's begin. Number one, Oando. Oando went up 11.70%. Now, what's driving Oando? Strong profit growth, especially in the first quarter. Oando profit was up, 19.5% after tax. Secondly, NAOC acquisition, which is now transforming Oando into a major indigenous upstream producer. And lastly, energy sector rotation, going on in Oando. My take is it's still good time to buy Oando as it's just began gaining strong momentum. Number two, Sky AVN. Sky AVN went up 9.79%. Now, what's driving Sky AVN? Sky AVN is a fundamentally improving, aviation service company with strong 2025 profit growth. They also have solid revenue expansion as well. Another factor that is working in their favor is FX stability. My take is Sky AVN is approaching overbought level. Traders should consider taking profit now because this sector doesn't command so much volume. So there is possibility of liquidity drying up once it gets to overbought level. Number three, Restarex. Restarex went up 9.56%. Now, what's driving Restarex? Strong 2025 profit growth. Logistics sector tailwind from e-commerce growth and infrastructure spending. Lastly, FX stability helping cost management for imported equipment. My take is it's overbought, and like in the case of Sky AVN, traders should consider taking profits now because this stock doesn't command so much volume. So there is possibility of liquidity drying up. Number four, Unicell. Unicell went up 9.41%. Now, what's driving Unicell? Explosive profit growth, strategic pivots to oil and gas services. Lastly, industrial sector rotation. My take is it's extremely overbought. Not only that, liquidity has dried up. So if you buy this stock now, chances are you will be the one providing profit to people, looking to get out of this stock. Number five, Stanbic. Stanbic went up 7.06%. Now, what's driving Stanbic? Stanbic, like we all know, Stanbic is a fundamentally strong Pan-African bank with excellent Q1 profit growth, solid revenue expansion, strong trading turnaround, and shareholder-friendly dividend policy. My take is long-time holders should just keep holding Stanbic. Number six, Transcorp. Transcorp went up 6.11%. Now, what's driving Transcorp? Transcorp is a fundamentally strong conglomerate with resilient profit growth, strong balance sheet, cheap valuation, and it also shareholder-friendly dividend policy as well. My take is accumulate Transcorp. Number seven, Maybaker. Maybaker went up 5.71%. Now, what's driving Maybaker? Maybaker is a fundamentally improving pharmaceutical company with strong 2025 results. They made profit recovery and solid revenue expansion, essential medicine portfolio, and as well shareholder-friendly dividend policy. My take is for short-term traders, Maybaker is approaching overbought level. However, for long-term traders, keep holding Maybaker because Maybaker's fundamentals support further recovery. Number eight, TIP, which is Initiate PLC. TIP went up 4.64%. Now, what's driving TIP? Not too much to talk about. If you're a short-term trader, just take your profit right now on TIP. Number nine, Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank went up 2.33%. Now, what's driving Zenith Bank? Well, like we all know, Zenith Bank is a fundamentally strong Pan-African bank with, steady profit growth, especially seeing the fact that they made profit, in Q1. Zenith Bank also has solid revenue expansion, strong deposit base, and its shareholder-friendly dividend policy. My take is Zenith is one stock contributing to the recent ASI weakness, but long-term holders should just keep holding Zenith. Number 10, UBA. UBA went up 2.27%. Now, what's driving UBA? Really, I really don't need to talk much about UBA. UBA is really a stock to accumulate at this point. Just keep accumulating because at this point, it's actually trading at a discount price. So you just need to accumulate UBA. So, like I said earlier from the beginning, right? So, the essence of this video is to explain what happened in the top gainers stocks of last week. The next video will be my stocks recommendation video for this new week. So hit the like button and subscribe to see that one when it's uploaded. See you in the next video.